You can hide and unhide columns and rows in a Excel worksheet. I want to hide column D. Click on column D heading. In Home tab, Cells group, click Format button. You have many options here. Move your cursor on Hide and Unhide button. To display list, click on Hide columns. In this way, column D temporarily hide from worksheet. If you want to unhide this column, select column C and E. In Home tab, Cells group, click Format button. Click Unhide columns. Column D is visible in a worksheet. Similarly, click row 6. Right click, click on Hide. Now you can see row 6 is hide from a worksheet. To display row 6 in a worksheet, select rows 5 and 7. Right click, click Unhide button. Now you can see row 6 is visible again.